Changing your verification method on Etsy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your settings. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Access your Etsy account by visiting the Etsy website and entering your login credentials. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security or Privacy tab. Click on it to view your current verification methods and security options. Step 4. Choose your new verification method. Within the security settings, you will see options for verification methods such as email, phone number, or authentication apps. Select the method you wish to use and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can easily change your verification method on Etsy. Make sure to keep your contact information up to date for a smooth experience.